I know good attention. I don't like tortillas. I don't do the siesta. I never go to the fiestas. I don't do perreo. I don't play flamenco. I don't represento your Spanish, your Spanish stereotypo. But I promise I will try my best. I'll become your Spanish